Hello everyone and welcome to Sonic 3D Adventure. This game. Whoa, how do I start? So a while ago I was gonna do a game review on it, but then that had its own problems. I'm gonna go to a birthday party on Sunday soon. And at that time of day I didn't have enough time to record, so I'm doing it now. Surprise. But as much as I want to listen to the lovely Sonic 3 music, I want to jump in.
I can sympathize with that. I don't like that sound.
And yes, I've already made my avatar, and I already played the first level. Now I haven't really played the second level, so let's see what that's all about. New world from last time. Okay then, let's do this. Okay, he runs automatically. That's not good to know. Also, we have hopes and dreams in the background. That's a good sign. Cause I fucking love Undertale. I don't know about you. Wow, this stage was short. I mean, wow, that was fucking short. Like, what the hell? S. Notice how his shoes still have the flag. Boss test. Ooh. You likey. Who are you? Why are you in my way? Whatever, I'll force you out of my way. Come on, let's fucking throw down, bitch. Let's throw down. Let's throw down, motherfucker. I'm not fucking scared of you. I hope you're not as edgy as Infinite is. Come on, motherfucker, let's go. Aren't you gonna attack? Oh wait, I think I know what your attacks are. These obstacle courses, huh? I will make you pay for that. You were the first person to land a blow on me. I'm surprised. You sure? Well, actually, I think you are sure, cause look how fucking edgy you are. You're fucking edgy. What's your name? Edge of the Hedgehog. Hashtag don't steal. I'd like to have that OC, please. But it belongs to Bear. Fuck you! I will make you pay for that. Dang, you were pretty good. No, I'm not. Do you know how long it's taking me for... Do you know how long it's taking me to get to you? Could I use that? No, I cannot. No, I could not. Okay, he killed me. With wood. It springs. Random floating fucking springs. That's nice to know. He can kill me. I thought I was fucking invincible here, at least. Because this obstacle course is fucking easy. Honestly, I'm not lying. Come on, bitch. Come on. Come on. What you got? What you got? What you got, bitch? ... Dang, I can't get hurt anymore. I will come back. Just you wait. Where's Sonic? Where did Sonic go? He dead. No, I saw him in the title screen. What the fuck? Where's Sonic? Sonic! Well, that was Sonic 3D Adventure. I hope you enjoyed it. And now, time to see my new avatar.